Hi everyone, it's Burgess. Thanks for joining me today. Um, Sorry about the dark glasses, and I'll explain that in a minute. I wanted to first of all say that I won't be producing a new video this Sunday. What I will be doing is going retro, which means I'll be using a video that I uploaded as a short a very, very long time ago, maybe 2.5 years ago. It was a 60-second bite, or maybe less than 60-second bite of a 15-minute video on how to paint a red rose in watercolor. So I'm going to be uploading the long form video today because I see a lot of people on Facebook and other groups asking how to paint roses and flowers and things. So I thought I'd do that. This video was actually inspired by Shibasaki, who printed a similar rose, and I took the idea and decided to try it myself. So it's really just a trial and error to see if it worked. And looking back at it, it did work. So I hope you enjoy it. The reason I'm doing this is because I had cataract surgery on Monday, and my eyes are a little bit sore. And because I'm filming this in front of a window, I just need to wear dark glasses because it's sort of a strain on the eyes. So I just wanted to let you know that despite this, I did want to create some content for you and keep the momentum going. So have a look at this video, and if you've got any comments or suggestions or even questions about how to paint a rose, do let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. Thanks very much for watching, and next time I will be producing a proper video using my classic paintbrush techniques, but this time it's going to be um, a video on how to paint a rose in watercolor. Thanks very much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video, but stay tuned because this retro video is coming up next. Thank you. The picture on the left of your screen is not my reference photo, but it's there to give you an idea of the shape I'm going for. I'm using water and the point of my round brush to draw the general shape of the rose using short random strokes. I then load my brush with a red paint and paint in the general shapes of the petals using the same short random strokes. The idea here is to create an overall shape of the rose. As you do this, you'll notice that the blob you've created begins to look like the side view of a rose. Now, if you have a reference photo, try not to paint every petal you see. The aim is to get a feel for the rose so that the eye fills in the rest. When you see a rose beginning to appear, that's when you need to think about your lights, your midtones, and your darks of the petals to give them a 3D look. You can start off by putting down your darks first. If it's a red rose, you can use burnt sienna, Indian red, or even crimson alizarin. In fact, you can even use purple. If your rose is blue or pink, those same colors would also work to create your darks. then it's a case of repeatedly darkening some areas and lifting out highlights in others with a damp brush. I've used a different brush for my lifting action, but you can use the point of your round brush. Just make sure that when you lift out the color, you rinse and wipe your brush in between, otherwise you'll just be shifting the colors around. Your midtones here are the initial red that you put down, your darks are the alizarin crimson or the purple, and your lights result from the lifting out action. As your rose begins to take shape, you can go ahead and add details using a smaller brush. You can add as much or as little detail as you wish, but even when your rose is at the stage where you've lifted out color, you can leave it as it is. For the stem and the leaves, I use a mix of yellow ochre and deep green from the Staedtler range. Its equivalent is actually hooker's green. And to add variation, I use deep green and burnt sienna. Here, I'm not trying to replicate the colors of the leaves in real life. I use my round brush for the overall shape of a leaf and the point of the brush to create the prickly edges. I hope you found this how to paint a red rose tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.